All right, let's make a concept. So if you guys don't know what a concept is, it's whenever you just want to get all your ideas on the canvas really fast so you don't have to make up the ideas on the spot whenever you're making the thumbnail for a YouTube video. As you can see on the top right hand corner, I have LMW Plays Pick a Clip. A couple days ago, or whenever I post this, I did post on the community tab on YouTube that I'm going to be ending the trilogy for Pick a Clip 1 through 100 with an absolute banger in those exact words, and I want to involve everyone I can. It's a little hint for you guys for the video, and what you guys are about to see on this thumbnail is also a little hint, a huge hint actually. And yeah, I would love to end it just like that, so let's get to work, shall we? Okay, so as you guys know, I always have like an outside barrier. It's like red, yellow, orange, and it only covers about this much. I think we should actually also describe it plain yellow while we're at it. Add some red to it. Remember, this is not supposed to be detailed at all. This is supposed to be just kind of quick, and that's also what we're doing right now. So I always have myself in the on the right, and let's make myself over there actually. So let's just grab like a black color, so my head is about, whoa, where is my face? Why is my, oh, it's at 1, duh. All right, so my face is about right here typically. It's actually a pretty good size, I'm not gonna lie. My shoulders go out about right there. I might actually delete some of this off of over here, but yeah, that's pretty good. I'll just use this as my hairline. Right, you have the glasses, nose, mouth, eye. Yikes, that is scary. All right, and then and of course it overlaps, right? It overlaps over here. So what I want for this, I want me to be looking. Oh my goodness, that's crazy. I want me to be looking over here toward the thing that's going to be over here. We're not going to get to that just yet because I want that to be a surprise until some point during the video, but not right now. I want there to be a text box that matches the same text box that you type in on Twitch. So I need to have it as a round circle, have rounded edges right here, and actually let's actually make these a little bit more rounded, about right there. Perfect. We're not gonna text inside of there because if we text like 3 bars worth of stuff, like let me just spam, right? As you can see, it becomes uneven, like the spacing becomes uneven, so we don't want that. Let's just put this in its spot. We're gonna have it as a gray, about right. Actually, let's make this gray as custom. Let's grab a text box, LMW underscore plays, with a colon. Oh, that is not a colon. Where's my colon? There it is. Can you? I need to have this in bold. Pick a number, and then we do a space bar, 1 to 100 question mark. Spread this out a little bit. Boom. Perfect. All right, let's find a good font for this. League Spartan. We might take League Spartan, honestly. Yeah, let's take League Spartan. All right, now let's make my name, only my name, not the colon, because it doesn't look like that on Twitch. Right there. Perfect. All right, nice. Now that we have these, we're gonna group these together, just like that. We're gonna select both of them. Then we're gonna put them in a spot with a little bit of a curve right there. Bingo. And then we're gonna put it right there. Nice. All right, so this will have a white outline on it, of course. Actually, let me add that. A white outline. And this is not like the final font. Of course, this is not the final font. If this was the final font, it would be like the final whatever I'm trying to do. It would be a little bit kind of sad. We don't want that. But now we gotta go for the surprise. It's not really a surprise, just something that I don't think you guys would expect. But yeah, let's grab some people. If we go to my uploads, you can see some certain individuals, NRG specifically, because NRG is I feel like most known in Rocket League. It's the franchise that no one will forget. And yeah, we're just gonna do this like that. So let's go over here, add them like that. course, it does not have to be perfect, but I'm gonna try to get as close as I can. And then, now that you have this, I have all this space. Let's just add a quick, oh shoot, you can't see the text, can you? Let's just bring this to the top. Yeah, over everyone. Let's let them say something. We're gonna let the top number. I stuttered for some reason. Do green. Let's let the top number, quotation, 69, of course. For some reason, video views go up whenever you add like the number 69 in it, because people think it's funny and you think the video's funny. I don't know why. Don't ask. I don't know. Let's do 100. And let's like squishy say like 2. I don't know if we should add the names of them on the back, like musty. But we need, let's add the Rocket League symbol on the very top. Very small though. Very small. Like, actually no, at the bottom, right here. Champ logo, what are you? We might add a Supersonic Legend behind them because all of these are Supersonic Legends. There's my champ logo. Go over here, and we're gonna add the champ logo in the very back. So whenever you add the champ logo in the back, it just shows you like a little bit, it adds a little bit of color and a little bit of deception or like contrast with the text, right? The text color from Twitch, and that it just matches a little bit. Up here, we're gonna have pick a clip. And let's just like lift it, I guess. And then I guess we'll just make this text white at that point. Or instead of just lift, let's just add a shadow. Why not? 0 direction, 0 offset. I said those in completely different ways. Let's add a black background, and then let's a little bit of deception with, or depth. There you go. Or I might just move. I might move these, the nameplates down there. But we will see at that point. I'm gonna add a. We're gonna grab or just draw this for a second. Let's go over here. Grab the red. Make a little box. Doesn't really matter how large the box is. I just need it to be seen. Maybe even up here. We'll try both places. So live with the box, right? Live. And then I feel like this is okay. This is all right. I need to have like a line, or like, ooh, to fill in the background with a lot of color, or just a lot of, just fills in the background with a lot of attention, but not too much attention where it takes off the subject of the thumbnail, which is me, what I'm saying, and what they're saying, who is saying it, So you have 4 things that your 4 things as your subject, or you have one subject out of the entire thumbnail. You have what the people are saying, right? Or the concept. People will read the title, which is the concept. Your thumbnail is what gets them to drive. So you need to have your people as your base, right? The second they need to look at or be able to look at is the contrast for what I'm saying and me, right? And I just need to fill in the background with some color, which doesn't attract more than what it gives, right? So we're gonna add maybe 100 clips for the 100 clips that I have. We're just gonna draw lines. And of course, it's in the background. It's not over me or anything, or whatever I'm doing. And just 100 clips just decked out right there. Wait, let me move this around, and I think we'll be done with the concept. So let's go in front of that, and boom. All right, guys, that is it. I'm done with my concept and what gets me going on my thumbnails. I'll actually post, or I'll show you guys where I am at currently on the thumbnail making. Just trying to get everything perfect as possible right here, right now, just right there, Lane. To show it to them. So if this did help you, please download Canva. Canva is so good on making thumbnails. It makes all the graphic designers pissed off because of how easy it is, and it's very simple to make some of the best thumbnails that you can make on YouTube and for anything that you want to post. If you're working for a business that requires a lot of graphic design, get Canva. It's free and it has so many good abilities where you can make stuff like this, just absolute chaos, and then make it into something beautiful and amazing later on. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.